1NR-FE engine 12J808. Engine turn. For the front engines looks good as you can see. Looks on altimeter without any damage. Same as well like compressor. And on this side everything looks nice. All windows without water inside, as you can see. Gearbox without any damage. And on this side everything looks good with engine. Starter no broken. On the top all connectors looking nice. And on the bottom all sound without any cracks, no leaks, and 1NR engine 12J808.